back to another RCTV episode. I'm Katherine.
And I'm Ho Kwan. On today's episode, we will be getting our hands dirty with two cooking shows.
Romantic Pasta.
And Baking with Bella.
A spotlight on RCHS junior David Vacio.
A fun hot seat episode.
And a silly RCTV bloopers.
That's all right here.
Right now on RCTV.
It's so great to live in the area now.
I know, I can't wait to see my boyfriend and have a great time.
Well, for my girlfriend loves pasta and I just don't know how to make it.
Well, if you want to know how to make a romantic pasta, Oreo and Julia got your back.
Buongiorno! Welcome to Cucina dell'Amore. I'm Chef Kater.
And I'm Chef Salka, and welcome to the place where we teach you
How to cook! Today we're gonna show you how to make the most delicious and romantic pasta for your Valentine's Day. Pasta de tagliatelle! Our first step will be gathering the ingredients.
For this recipe, we traveled far and wide
All the way to our homeland, Italia.
for these elusive and decadent cherry tomatoes of Rome. Everything else we got from our garden.
You'll need flour, salt and pepper, eggs, an onion, and vegetable stock.
You will also need extra virgin olive oil, sun-dried tomatoes, red wine, with parent permission, baby bella mushrooms, cherry tomatoes obviously, and the most delicious fresh thyme from our homeland Italia.
Wait, did
Did we forget the... Okay, now that we have all the ingredients, we're ready to start by making the pasta dough from scratch.
Making pasta from scratch is quite simple. First, you need to make a little pile of flour and make a little well for the eggs to go in.
Gently mix the eggs in with the flour until you're able to knead it into a dough.
You'll want to keep kneading it for 10 to 15 minutes.
And I need you now tonight, and I need you more than ever.
Once it's kneaded, you'll roll it out with a rolling pin into whatever shapes you want.
Today, we're making tagliatelle. Wait a minute, where's the accent gone?
Mamma mia.
We'll start on the sauce by dicing and chopping the mushrooms.
Once chopped,
Just like that hairline.
add olive oil to a large pan over medium heat. Next,
Add the onions and mushrooms and cook for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally.
Once the onions soften and the mushrooms brown, add the sun-dried tomatoes and 1 tablespoon of oil from each jar.
Add cherry tomatoes and those thyme leaves fresh from the garden to the pan and cook for 4 to 5 minutes or until the cherry tomato skins start to split.
Season with salt and pepper to taste. The seasoning, not us. Please don't put us in your pasta sauce.
add red wine with adult supervision and stir until a thick paste forms.
Finally, add your vegetable stock. Stir until smooth and simmer on low for 20 to 30 minutes, mashing the cherry tomatoes every once in a while.
While the sauce simmers, we can start cooking the pasta. Boil water in a medium saucepan, then add the tagliatelle. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes or until it floats to the top.
Then drain and set the pasta aside. Now that the sauce and pasta are done, it's time to combine.
Simply pour in the pasta and mix it well.
Finito, the pasta is done!
Mamma mia, looks
See, that's
certainly homemade.
That's the only way it should look.
Now we will serve it in our place
Fancy
where we will
dishes.
eat. Chef Bebe, I'm so excited to try this.
I know. After a long day of hard work,
We deserve this.
we deserve this.
And you deserve it too.
It's pretty good. I'm actually not gonna lie.
Oh, there's that spice. Chef Bebe, I told you I cannot handle this. I'm Chef Salsa for a
You
reason.
know what's so funny? I taste no spice at all. No, it's so good. It's actually good.
And room.
It's not spicy though.
Hope you all have an amazing Valentine's Day.
And bon appetito.
Just like that, making pasta is so easy.
Well, I can just make my girlfriend dinner with a dessert.
Well, maybe you need to watch Baking with Bella.
sorry.
She's really baking something sweet and delicious.
Hello,
and welcome to the first episode of Baking with Bella. Or maybe it's the last episode, I have no idea. But today we'll be making, in honor of Valentine's Day, a heart-shaped red velvet cake with cream cheese frosting. Okay, for starters, we need to sift this flour, then we're gonna throw some unsweetened cocoa powder in there and some salt, mix all those dry ingredients together, and boom, you're done with that portion. Now let's move on to the wet ingredients. This will be a bit more tedious because you have to make sure the butter's melted, but if you have a stand mixer, that makes it easy. I don't really like to use the stand mixer, but I'm using it for this. We're going to slowly add the dry ingredients and the buttermilk in there, just going a portion at a time so that the flour has time to mix everything in without it being too overbearing. Now that you're done, go ahead and pour it into that baking pan and throw it in the oven. I would say that's a pretty successful baking endeavor so far. Let's try some of this batter. You might be saying better than time now. Hasn't happened yet. I do this every time I bake. And after you see if it's done 1, 2, or even 3 times, it'll finally be ready to come out. Guys, it's finally done. 3rd time is the charm. So basically, my plan as of right now is to let this cool, go to work later. Then whenever I come home from work, I'm going to make the frosting and decorate. Don't wait until past 9 o'clock at night after a 5-hour shift to make icing that you've never made before. Now, we are gonna have to do some surgery on this cake because whenever I greased my pan to make sure that the cake didn't stick to it, it did not work. And you might be saying, Bella, this cake is low-key kind of ugly. And to that I say, this is my first time baking cake from scratch, and so I think for my first time, I did pretty good. No box mix included, everything made from scratch. I think I did a pretty good job. As you can see, the RCTV members enjoyed it a little bit because there's not even a full slice left. So if you want a cake that'll be gone in a couple hours, I would suggest this recipe. Just learn from my mistakes and don't make your icing at 9 o'clock at night.
That cake looks so cute and yummy. I know my girlfriend's gonna love me this year on Valentine's.
I know that you are going to do a lot. You know who else is going to do a lot this year? David Vacio.
Emily got a chance to speak with David and all his success this year.
David Vacio is literally everywhere in Roy City High School. Let's hear it straight from David.
I'm Vice President of Taffy, Co-President of Cultural Collaborative, Secretary for Interact Club. I am a member of Partners PE. I'm student leader for teaching and training.
David didn't mention it, but he was also a driving force behind this year's Hispanic Heritage Celebration. Sharing his culture is most important to David, and also is important to him to help other students be at their best.
The sense that I've made a difference in not just my life, but other people's lives. I've made a difference in my community, and I have shown my pride for my community as well. During Hispanic Heritage Month, we saw so many students show up every day. Students are made, but students are also developed. They find something that they can do better and work on, and so they end up developing over time.
David is inspired seeing others succeed and by their accomplishments.
From my siblings all the way to my parents, I inspire to be just like them, if not better, to do more and be out there in my community. My brother was a baseball player here at the high school, and I don't really do sports, so I try and make up for that in clubs.
You might think everything comes easily to a successful student like David, but he freely shares how teachers have helped them overcome dyslexia.
My English teacher, she was the one that, on my first day of going to dyslexia class, she walked me over there because I was so nervous that I just had found out that I was dyslexic, and she was there the entire time through the process, and she helped me. to get into that class and just do the best that I could.
It was teachers like this who led David to his future career in teaching. David credits his 8th grade teacher for helping him choose this career.
So my teacher, Mr. Housey, he really pushed me to do my absolute best. He would sit there and constantly checking up on me, making sure that I'm understanding his subject. He would push me to do my absolute best. If I didn't know something, he wouldn't sit there and help me, but rather he would sit there and kind of guide me along. He wouldn't tell me the answer. He would guide me along to get to that answer.
For David, he wants to be the same kind of teacher and inspire his students to go on and make a difference as well.
Yeah, I would love for, when I become a teacher, to make such a difference in my students' lives that they go out and they go and do the same thing. And that they hopefully, whether it be in teaching or not, they go out there and they make a difference.
David leaves us with some great advice.
Things happen. You just have to find a way to get around it, or if you can't get around it, push through it. Freshman year is always hard. Sophomore year gets worse. And then as you keep going, it gets better or worse. But you always just have to keep pushing through.
Students here sure are incredible. I know you may have seen 2 students in the halls and maybe even in the parking lot.
You may know them as hot seat.
All right, who am I here with? Israel. Israel, what's your go-to song right now? Artist, album, whatever.
Artist, J. Cole.
J. Cole, just J. Cole? Any favorite songs?
No, not really. I listen to everything by him.
All right, totally unrelated, but what's your go-to Taco Bell order?
Bro, I don't even eat Taco Bell. It's trash.
I saw you there the other day.
That's cat, bro. That wasn't me.
Not Cat. It was him.
It was my twin brother.
Twin brother. Oh, we had to swap out the cameras because it was not good. You're bad.
I'm still recording you, dude.
Okay.
Stop for that, son.
Put blackjack on my earlier.
Hey, keep no, we're in like a third-person POV.
Okay. Hey, who am I here with?
Cody Theobald.
Who's Pro Shell? What's your favorite song right now?
Oh, what?
Favorite song right now?
Oh, dude. I Hope by Jay Lewis. Dude, it was a good day by Ice Cube.
I hope your kids end up just like me without a daddy. I hope for Halloween they give
You crash head first into a bus full of car catch on fire from the fluid from the power. I hope you
Feels so good. It's wet, baby. It's wet. It's wet, baby.
Go to Taco Bell order. Go to Taco Bell order.
Dude, I haven't been to Taco Bell in a long time. I'm on a diet.
Eat. Still.
Let's go with the grilled cheese burrito.
What about the Bev?
Sweet tea.
I like sweet tea. You ever had Milo's? Huh? You ever had Milo's sweet tea?
Oh, no.
Never. Yes, now.
Who am I here with? Justin Smart.
Hey, guys. Hey. What's your favorite song right now?
Castle in Hollywood by Leve.
What are you listening to?
Quit revving your truck, loser.
Huh? Go to Taco Bell order.
Oh, 2 chicken quesadillas, easy.
What Bev?
No bad.
No Bev.
No bad.
You're raw dog on Taco Bell?
Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
I don't know.
I don't know. Fine. Who am I here with?
Garrett, David.
Garrett, what's your favorite song right now?
Basket Case by Green Day.
Green Day? That's cool. Let's see. What's your go-to Taco Bell order?
The nacho fries.
What Bev?
What? Baja Blast.
Baja Blast. Zero sugar?
It doesn't matter.
Midnight?
What?
Midnight flavor?
Yeah.
Like the car, man.
Thank you.
Is it yours?
Yeah, I bought it.
You bought it? For how much?
16,000. We're gonna do it.
Hey, quit asking him for his finances, narc.
Hey, you watch it.
Hey, buddy.
You watch it. What?
Buddy, hey, over now.
Oh, rev it.
Woo!
Thank you, guys.
No problem.
Thank you.
Like on the video?
Yes.
Roll it.
Who am I here with?
Kayla.
Kayla, what's your favorite song right now?
Iris by the Goo Goo Dolls.
That's fire. I added it to my playlist today. Go to Taco Bell order.
Cause I don't think they'd understand.
Also tell the cameraman to shut up.
When everything's meant to be broken. What's your go-to Taco Bell order?
Okay. A double stack taco.
What about the bev?
Dr. Pepper.
Small, medium, large.
Large.
Who am I here with?
Tessa.
Tessa, what's your favorite song right now?
Gotta get out of my car.
By who?
Nickos. Get out!
Thank you.
Well, that's a wrap for this episode of RCTV.
Wait, we aren't done yet. We still have some RCTV bloopers that Callie made.
That's right. Keep watching for the bloopers.
Where's Blaine Translate? Blaine!
Yeah.
How you doing, Miss Dugan?
Oh, yeah, we're off.
Whoa!
Oh, thanks.
6, 7. 6, 7.
This is my week, and I took the streets to find people who didn't do their New Year's. Goo goo gaga. Goo goo gaga.
It's mine!
That's a wrap for this episode of RCTV.
To watch more episodes, go to youtube.com/RCTVTeenNews. This has been Katherine
and Ho Kwan
for
for the
RCTV.
RCTV. Bye, Poodle.
Bye.